AI either promises transformative positive changes or threatens humanity's existence in the most destructive way. However, if it were for the greater good, which companies seem the most likely to make a positive impact? Well, we will find out in just a second, because today we are looking at the 10 most promising AI companies to watch in 2021. But first, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Number 10, NVIDIA. The training phase of machine learning needs a lot of computer resources, but the inference phase requires a lot less. However, graphics chips, which are typically used for rendering video games, are capable of doing both jobs pretty well. NVIDIA, a leading graphics chip manufacturer, has benefited from the AI boom, with its graphics cards becoming the de facto standard in data centers across the world. The company's graphics cards are used to accelerate a wide range of data center applications, so this sector isn't entirely AI related. However, AI has been one of the driving forces of the company's growth. Take, for example, self-driving cars. NVIDIA creates platforms, including hardware and software for driver assistance and full self-driving. The Drive AGX Pegasus system from the company has 2 NVIDIA Xavier processors, 2 graphics processing units, and can perform 320 trillion operations per second. This is worth noting because a self-driving car must analyze large quantities of data in real time from many sensors and cameras, detect objects such as people and other cars, and make complicated choices. They need a massive amount of computational power, and that's exactly what NVIDIA's platform delivers. NVIDIA's graphic cards may be phased out in favor of more specialized AI processors in the future, but for now the company is indeed in a strong position. Number 9, Riskified. Situated in New York, Riskified specializes in fraud prevention and risk identification. The company helps the e-commerce sector to reach its full potential by ensuring that it is globally safe, accessible, and cost-effective. From airlines to luxury fashion to houses to gift card marketplaces, the world's largest brands rely on Riskified to boost revenue, manage risk, and improve the customer experience. But how, you may ask? Merchants usually lose billions of dollars to legacy fraud solutions, payment failures, high-friction verification techniques, and more. What Riskified does is it uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to identify genuine consumers and keeps them on the path to conversion. In the case of fraud, all Riskified approved orders come with a 100% money-back guarantee. So unlike scoring-based solutions, Riskified's chargeback guarantee approach also aligns the company's incentives with merchants. And as a result of Riskified's accuracy, merchants can safely approve more orders, expand internationally, and fulfill omni-channel flows, while still providing a frictionless customer experience, a win-win situation for everyone. Micron Technology manufactures memory chips such as Dynamic Random Access Memory, DRAM, and NAND flash memory used in solid-state drives. The majority of the company's products are commodity items, which means that price is determined by supply and demand. This can also result in harsh cycles in the semiconductor industry when an excess of chips drives prices down. However, in 2021, that cycle appears to be on an upswing as management anticipates numerous tailwinds, including mobile, 5G, cloud computing, and graphics, aided by a rebound in the automobile industry. And this isn't the case for the short run only. In fact, memory chip demand will continue to rise in the long run, particularly in the AI industry. Self-driving cars are an excellent example of the AI industry's rapid growth. Back in 2018, the company forecasted that a fully autonomous car will require 74 gigabytes of DRAM and 1 terabyte of NAND, and 26 million vehicles with level 3 autonomy would be on the road by 2025. A PC today could contain 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of NAND. To put it into perspective, that's indeed some great storage. And today, when even a smartphone requires a great deal of memory, Micron is clearly leading the game. Number 7, Tempus. Founded in 2015, the original inspiration for Tempus, according to founder Eric Lefkofsky, was when his wife was diagnosed with breast cancer. He was shocked by how little data doctors use to plot and plan her treatment. And, well, this is how a new AI healthcare startup was born, with cancer as its top target of precision medicine. Tempus attacks cancer at the molecular level by genomic sequencing of tumors that leans on AI to organize and analyze diverse data sets, from oncology notes and pathology reports to radiology and pathology images. And the result is a data-driven treatment customized for each patient. But while Tempus continues to grow its AI-driven cancer diagnostic capabilities, the company is rapidly expanding its platform to other areas of precision medicine, including infectious disease, starting with COVID-19. The company is currently developing Tempus ID, which will be used to cover and evaluate a wide variety of known respiratory diseases, such as COVID-19 and other common forms of coronaviruses. The goal is to have a diverse set of genomic sequencing for the virus, which will aid study and discoveries. The company indeed has a lot of potentials. Number 6, Zymergen. Zymergen is another top AI company making waves in the healthcare industry. Based in California, Zymergen is developing revolutionary biomanufacturing technologies that can be utilized in agriculture, electronics, and even personal care by combining genetics, automation, and machine learning. With clients all around the world, the company is dedicated to improving production techniques that are not only environmentally responsible, but also cost-effective. Their breakthrough products include Hyaline, a bioelectronic film that will probably end up in your next smartphone, laptop, watch, or television. Number 5, OSARO. Combining the latest advances in AI and industrial robotics could bring significant advancements to Industry 4.0. The AI software for robot perception and control in combination with the off-the-shelf cameras lets robots recognize things in front of them and study how they respond when pushed or gripped. As with every other AI system, it can learn from its experiences to figure out the optimal method to grip specific things. Well, OSARO offers exactly that. OSARO is a robotics company that creates industrial-grade AI perception and control software based in the United States. The company's software includes integrated perception and control capabilities that allow robots to grip and move irregularly shaped objects. The company is also currently developing new ways to expand its software to allow robots to grip and move irregularly shaped objects and also make decisions. Number 4, Amazon. Amazon, maybe more than any other company, is utilizing AI in a variety of ways. Jeff Bezos, the founder of the company, has long been a proponent of machine learning. While Amazon started as an online retailer, technology has always been at the heart of the company. Amazon employs AI in various ways, including Alexa, its industry-leading voice-activated technology, Amazon Go cashierless grocery stores, and Amazon Web Services SageMaker, a cloud infrastructure tool that deploys high-quality machine learning models for data scientists and developers. Amazon's dominating e-commerce business is also based on AI, with algorithms powering its top-of-the-line e-commerce, movie, and music streaming recommendation engines, as well as determining product rankings. It's impossible to quantify the influence of artificial intelligence on Amazon's business, but it's obvious that it's a critical component of its competitive edge. Amazon has been at the forefront of developing technology throughout its history and will most likely continue to do so in the future, thanks to AI. Number 3, AlphaSense. Most enterprises deal with the challenge of extracting, classifying, and analyzing data from ever-growing volumes of documents, text, files, transcripts, and contracts. In the most complex enterprise systems, such as within the finance, banking, research, healthcare, technology, and professional services sectors, these are the most valuable assets regarding informed decision-making. According to the 2019 Workplace Productivity and Knowledge Management Survey, 57% of employees believe that finding the correct information is a major contributor to lagging office productivity. However, this isn't something to be concerned about in the near future. AlphaSense has got them covered. AlphaSense has designed its AI-based NLP platform to support high-scale document classification and to process large amounts of unstructured data. The system searches the user's specific search terms and synonyms related to the commercial or financial subject matter. This enables comprehensive, meaningful search results and actionable outcomes, ranging from investment decisions to navigating complex regulations to due diligence. In addition, the company has also enhanced its mobile app and certain workflow features to allow for better cooperation and efficiency, since many employees work remotely across the world. Users can also annotate and share research across their team within the AlphaSense platform, rather than copying and pasting important material into emails or papers to share with colleagues. Indeed, a time saver. Number 2, Clarify. Founded in 2013, Clarify is an AI-powered company that specializes in computer vision, and it uses machine learning and deep neural networks to identify and analyze images and videos. Clarify offers image and video recognition tools for developers that rival those from Google, Microsoft, and others. The company also provides its clients with cutting-edge AI techniques that would cost millions to replicate, similar to how Stripe and Twilio make it simple for programmers to get into payment and communications capabilities. Companies like Unilever, BuzzFeed, Ubisoft, and Staples UK, as well as makers of medical devices and drones, use Clarify to automatically analyze millions of images and videos, while others use the company's AI image recognition tools to improve security. For instance, airlines use Clarify's face detection AI solutions to verify employee identity and guarantee that workers are in permitted and designated locations, which is critical for security and safety reasons. Authorized people can now be identified and granted access to particular places using computer vision and face recognition. This is worth noting because, in the recent decade, the overall security level has increased substantially thanks to a mix of computer vision and advanced analytics found in smart cameras, with companies like Clarify playing a crucial role. International Business Machines, also known as IBM, has been around for over a century. Today, the company serves large enterprise customers as an integrated hardware, software, and services provider. Its mainframe computer systems are still in use in several industries, and it frequently signs multi-year IT contracts for hundreds of millions of dollars. As per the International Data Corporation, IDC, reports, the company generated over $2.5 billion of revenue from AI in 2018, giving it the largest market share in the industry. That's indeed some great numbers. Must have a hidden business strategy, you may say. Yes, you're right. IBM's strategy with AI is to use the technology to boost human intellect, enhance efficiency, and reduce expenses. IBM's AI technology is being used in the healthcare business to build customized care plans, speed up the process of bringing new medications to the market, and enhance the quality of treatment. On the other hand, IBM is utilizing AI to assist clients with the challenging task of regulatory compliance in the financial service business, thanks to the company's acquisition of Promontory Financial Group. There are some applications, too, that aren't quite ready for prime time, but they have potential. For instance, IBM is working with the marine research company ProMare on an AI captain, capable of navigating a ship across the Atlantic Ocean on its own. Well, with such a broad range of applications, IBM is undoubtedly a company to keep an eye on. So what are your thoughts on the top 10 lists we put together? Do you know of a company worthy of inclusion in the top 10 that we haven't mentioned? Also, which AI company is your personal favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.